Today topic on the discussion is materials requirement planning. Materials requirement planning in contemporary management. What MRP does? MRP can do, for example, MRP can do by master schedule for end items. For master schedule for end items, initially for MRP, we have to master schedule. For example, brief what are the materials requirement for that product, for manufacturing that product, what are the products essential for that. We have to first initially some brief data and master schedule can be done. After that we have transferred to the MRP. By transferring this to this MRP, the MRP can prepare the detailed schedule for raw materials and components used in the end products. For end products, we have what are the related to that end products. We have to prepare the detailed raw materials related requirements. We have to prepare by this using MRP requirement planning. Independent versus dependent demand related to MRP. For example, independent demand means, if I take independent demand means demand unrelated to demand of the other products. For example, a product not depend on the another product. For example, if I take end products and spare parts are not depend on other products. For example, these are all the end products, so they didn't depend on other products. If I take dependent demand. If I take dependent demand means, for example, manufacturing any product depend on another product. For example, if I take demand directly related to the demand of the other products, that is components, raw materials and sub-assemblies. For example, if I take manufacturing a car, requires various components or sub-assemblies or products to manufacture. For example, for manufacturing a car, if I take for manufacturing a car, it depends on various, for example, requires tires, frame, differential, requires differential, as well as various other related. In that matter, it these are car depend on these all the products in that matter. Requirements derived from delivery schedule of end item. Independent demand, conventional inventory control. For example, conventional inventory control depends on EOQ. EOQ means economic order quantity. In that matter, we have to order the product related to raw material related in economic order quantity manner. Dependent demand. Dependent demand means for dependent demand we are using MRP material requirement planning. Material requirement planning tool for planning and control of the manufacturing inventories. For example, raw materials, work in process, components and sub-assemblies. For all these we have to use material requirement planning for calculating how much product related. Lead times are up to times. For example, first one, ordering lead time and manufacturing lead time. Ordering lead time means the time gap between initiation of purchase requisition, receipt of the item from the vendor. For example, I have ordered the item today. The date is around I think approximately will take 25th April. This is the ordering date. I get the material from at the end of the April 31st. In the gap between from 25th April to the end of the 31st April, this is the lead time related to ordering. I ordered in 25th day and they get the raw material from on the end of the April 31st. This gap is known as ordering lead time. Manufacturing lead time means, for example, a customer place an order today, that is the 25th of April. According to the customer specifications, I have to manufacturing the product. For process part through sequence of missions as given as route sheet, non-productive times. For example, for manufacturing the product, various sequence of operations have to be done up to the item to be delivered. For manufacturing the product, the placing order and the delivery time, these two, the time gap between these two, and a customer ordered today and manufacturing takes place from today onwards and continues up to, for manufacturing that it takes place around 5 days, means 25th up to 30 days. This in gap between 25th to 30, this is the manufacturing lead time. After that the item can be delivered. The gap between the place order and the item delivered is known as manufacturing lead time. In material requirement planning, lead times are used to determine starting date for assembling final products and sub-assemblies, for producing components, parts, and for ordering raw materials. Inputs to material requirement planning. The main inputs of material requirement planning are master production schedule, bill of material, inventory record file. These three are the main inputs regarding to material requirement planning. Common use items for material requirement planning. Basic raw material, first one, level 0, and this one is components. I take as components 1 level, and products at level 2. For manufacturing the product P1, I request the component C1. I request the component C1, C2. For manufacturing of P1, I require C1, C2, C3. In the same way, for manufacturing P2 requires C1, C2 components. In that matter, MRP collects common use items from different products to affect economics in ordering the raw materials and manufacturing the component sub-assemblies. In that matter, MRP is the mainly concentrate on economics, means cost related. That matter is very important. How much order is required, and that much only we have to place order and require. Structuring of an MRP system. Customer order. First, master production schedule. For master production schedule, the main inputs are bill of material and inventory record file. For this MRP processes, these three are the inputs regarding to material requirement planning. For material requirement process, these three are the main: bill of materials, master production schedule, and inventory record files are the important. For if I take for my inventory records related, for example, any inventory transaction related, we have to note it in the inventory record file. We have to update in that matter. What are the inventory transactions in, go and out of the, how much material we have to use consumed in that matter, inventory related. And bill of materials file related means components related to the, for example, manufacturing the automobile, various components related to bill of material means every single components we have to mention in bill of materials. Any changes in that we have to update it in the bill of materials by using engineering changes. Next, service parts and requirements. For example, if I manufacturing the car, any service parts, for example silencers or anything, we have to manufacture regarding to the service parts and master production schedule can be done by using sales forecast. By using sales forecast on customers' orders, we have to master production can be done. MRP processes output reports. First one, gross and net requirements report. Gross and net requirements report means, for example, manufacturing that what are the requirements related to that. Capacity. Second one, capacity versus lead report. How much capacity we have to manufacture, how much lead report, how much we have time for that. Shop floor planning report. Third one, for shop floor planning report means, for example, what are the processes have done in the shop floor in that related information. Production order status. Fourth one, production order status and expectations and report. What are the production orders status right now, and what are the expectations we have. First one we are important, master production schedule. Master production schedule means, typically master production schedule involves what are the end products are to be produced, how many of each end products are to be produced, how many, when the products are to be ready for shipment. These are related to the typical information of the product. For example, if I take for manufacturing a product P1, P1 manufacturing can be done at the end, at the 8th week at around 50 products. At the 10th week we have to manufacture around 100 products. Next, P2, for manufacturing of P2, at the end, at the 7th week we have to manufacture 70 products, and at the 8th week we have to manufacture 80 products, and at the end of the 9th week we have to 25. This is related to master production schedule. For example, for demand related, for example, what is the demand for customer's order? Forecasted demand. We have to forecast the demand related to product and demand for individual component parts, that is for example repairs and services related. How to forecast a complete timetable. A complete timetable schedule production in future. For example, for production of products in the future, we have to schedule, that is known as the master production schedule. It gives information about what products is to be produced, what is the product can be how to produce, when it is to be time, when which time how to produce, in what quantity, how many number you have to produce. For example, if I think I have to produce, take any medicine related, and that tablet related you have to produce, when you have to produce, in what quantity, how many number you have to produce, that is related. Bill of material. Second important MRP file is bill of material. Bill of material gives information about how each final product is manufactured. Each final product is how it is manufactured. Specify all subcomponent items related to that. This sequence build up in the final product. For example, if I take for manufacturing the product P1, for manufacturing the product P1 requires S1 sub-assemblies and S2 sub-assemblies. Again S1 sub-assemblies requires C1 component and 1 and C2 component 4 and C3 component 1. Similarly, S2 subassembly requires C4 2 and C5 2 and C6 1. For example, if I take any example related to car, automobile, for example, cycle, I will take cycle. For example, for manufacturing cycle, I take two sub-assemblies. For example, where sub-assemblies is 1 and 2. For example, if I take various frame related sub-assemblies and related, next important is tires. Frames means various frames, handles and remaining etc. That is related to all subcomponents required for manufacturing of S1 subassembly and S2 for the manufacturing of a product cycle. Inventory record file. It gives complete and up to date information about on hand inventory. Present, how much inventory is there on our hand. Transist inventory means what is that inventory on ordering related. Accurate data on inventory status. For example, what is the present and exact data related to inventory we have to give, that is known as accurate. Lead times must be established in inventory record file. For example, ordering lead time means ordering lead time regarded to purchasing records, and manufacturing lead times. Manufacturing lead times process root sheets. Ordering lead time means, for example, ordering we have to that lead time we have to mention in the purchase records, and manufacturing lead time we have to mention in the process root sheets. Inventory transactions. For example, inventory transactions related to must be kept current. For example, inventory transactions must be maintained up to date is very important. Various benefits of material requirement planning. Reduction in inventory around 30 to 50% work in process. Next, improved customer services. Late orders reduced by 90%. Quicker response to changes in demand and master schedule related, and greater productivity can be improved. Better machine utilization possible. Increase the sales, and sales can be increased by reducing the sales prices.